want to know how to get support or get help in Lovable AI. So if you want any support center or customer care in Lovable, if you are having any problem, then this video is simply for you. So first things first, simply open up your Lovable website. So just simply open up your web browser any and just simply type in lovable.dev. So once you have typed in lovable.dev, we should be provided with various options right here. And now in the top right side you should be seeing your profile. So just simply select your profile right here. So if you don't see it, you need to log it. We have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once you have done that, here on the bottom right below get free credits, you should be seeing help center. Just simply select help center right here. And now once you select help center, here you can simply ask anything under help and support. And you can also hit towards documents by selecting documents right here. And you can also ask the community by simply selecting joining Discord. We have also created a video on how to do it, so make sure to watch it. And that's it. This is how you get help and support in Lovable AI. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.